Guys, like, you don't need to make up if your skin is popping. It doesn't matter whether you're dark, you're white, you're light. All you need for your skin is the glow, okay? And that is what I'm here to serve you. So I advise you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. Subscribe to my channel because I want to be giving out the products I'm using on my skin to you for free. For free. Oma, who does that? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is just seeing my beautiful face for the very first time, hi, Claire here. On this channel I film skincare videos. So guys, today I'm going to be reviewing an amazing product for skin brightening, skin lightening, however you want to call it. If you are a chocolate skin girl, this product unfortunately is not for you because it's going to alter your skin complexion. But if you're somebody who wants to brighten, to lighten up, to alter your skin complexion, to give yourself your skin a boost, to glow, and but mind you, it's going to brighten you up, it's going to alter your skin complexion, then you can as well try this product. And this is the product I'm talking about. This is it. This is the Rapid Clair Carrot. Before I go further, if you are my new subscriber, I see you. Welcome to the family where we glow on a budget. And if you are my old subscriber, thank you very much for always coming back. Now, to you who is watching me, all of you who keep watching me, you're not subscribing to my channel, I don't know what I've done. Please forgive me and help me subscribe to my channel. Make sure you join this family, please. If you love our content, subscribe to our channel, because there's really no point subscribing if you can't watch the videos. Honestly, I'm just gonna be honest to you. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell, because that's the only way you can be notified each time I upload a new video. And I advise you, even if you're my old subscriber, if you have not turned on your notification bell, please turn on your notification bell, because there's a good thing coming on the wheel. You don't want to miss it. Like I have a package for everybody here, so you don't want to miss it. Okay, let me not rant too much. By the way, let's talk about this product, this Rapid Clair Carrot. This product is Rapid Clair Carrot Lait Clarifiant Intense. Now, this is a product from the same company that produced Rapid Clair. I mean, the Rapid Clair we used to know back then in the days of Immediate Clair and BioClair. This product is made in Cameroon, and it's made by the Biopharma company. It is a company based in Cameroon that is producing skincare products. We have a couple of their products in the market, okay? And I've reviewed quite a few on this channel. So you can as well go back to watch my review on the old formula of Rapid Clair, and before you come and watch this one, so in case you want to choose, you can be able to know which one to choose. So this one is the 3-in-1 carrot, Rapid Clair Carrot, 3-in-1. It says 3-in-1. You might be wondering, why does it say 3-in-1? Because it has 3 ingredients. They are active ingredients. 3 active ingredients here are carrot oil, turmeric oil, and moringa extract. All these ingredients are really good for the skin. They are natural ingredients. So this manufacturer is trying to tell us that this product doesn't contain any harsh chemicals. They are natural based ingredients, natural ingredients used in making this product, which means it should be healthy for your skin in the long run. Because sometimes when we talk about harsh products used on the skin, we say don't use them. It's not only about your now. We're also looking about the future. Some of these products might be appearing good, looking good, giving you good results now, but might end up prolonged usage of this product might irritate your skin in the future, which is not what you want. So this one, they're trying to tell us that this is natural based on the ingredients listed on this packaging. And it says that they said Rapid Clair with moringa and turmeric oil is effective against free radicals of the skin and preserves its youth. So they're trying to tell us that when you use this product, you are gonna stay youthful. Like you're not going to be getting old anytime soon. Okay. So it says that it's smoothly concentrated with carrot oil. It guarantees a soft, satiny skin, and most of all, a clear and unified complexion on the whole body. So they're telling us that this product is going to give us a clear and unified complexion from your head to your toes. No dark knuckles, no dark elbows, no black knuckles, no green veins, white dots, and so on. Now, if I have to judge by the ingredients, I would say this product is really, really good. I've seen good reviews about this product. I've seen people using this product, and actually, I give this product out to somebody to try the product, and so far, so good. It's nothing whitening, I would say. It didn't whiten the person. In my opinion, if you want this product to whiten you, you probably have to be adding some serums. You probably want to pro-mix it to give you a very strong cream. But on its own, it's not a whitening product. Is it a lightening product? Yes, it can be a lightening product depending on your skin. But this particular person I give this product to, she has been using this product. But what I see is not a lightening effect, but it's not damaging as well. It's just a glow, okay? It's just a glow. But now with time, because it's not been up to 1 month, okay? It's just like 2 weeks into it. So with time, we are going to see how the product will work. But I just came out here to tell you that the Rapid Clair, if you did not used to like the old one, there is a new formula. You might like it. I don't know. You might. And if you used to like the old one, then you might even like this one more, especially if you are somebody who is concerned about the ingredients used in making a particular product that you apply on your skin. Now, my advice, yes, they've said they have carrot oil, moringa, turmeric. All these ingredients are very effective in brightening the skin, in clearing out dark scars, sunburns, acne, and so on and so forth. But you don't know what exactly is in this product, so please use it with caution. I will not advise you just take this product right away and start mixing. My advice to you, if you want to mix product, make sure you have used the product on its own and you've seen the results before you can start mixing. And don't mix what you don't know, okay? Me, I don't like mixing too much like that, especially when it comes to lightening things. When they say it's lightening, just try to use it. If it has an oil, use it with the oil. But this one, I've not seen the oil, but I've seen people using it with the old version, the old Rapid Clair serum. I've not seen the oil, I've not seen the soap. So you want to use this product, go for a good soap. Check your ingredients, go for a good soap, and use it like that on its own, depending on what you want to get. If you want to just brighten, use it like that. If you want to lighten, maybe add the oil if you want to, or continuously using this one for a while will end up giving you your results, and alongside with a good soap. I cannot overemphasize on the soap you use to cleanse or to wash your skin with. You can't just be using bars and Dove soap and then you want to. The soap has a part to play, okay? Pair your lightening products with your lightening soap, unless on those days when you want to take breaks from skin lightening, okay? So that is it. Get the product. If you want to try it, try it. Don't use it on your face. I don't recommend. Don't use it on your face. It's not good. It can clog your pores. You might react to it and you start blaming the company, whereas it's not really their fault. They haven't said this product is to be used on the face. They say that is for their body, used on the body. They say we give you a unified complexion on the whole body. They didn't even say head to toe. I just added that. So it's from here to down, okay? Use it like that and watch your skin. If you see your skin is being irritated, drop it, okay? Use it like that. Always wear your sunscreen, whether you're in Europe, whether you're in America, wherever you are, whichever product you're using, as long as you're altering your skin complexion. Even if you're not altering your skin complexion, sunscreen is good, because we can see some dark people, dark skin with sunburn. Yeah, because it's the sun, it's not the product, okay? So use your sunscreen. And this product in Cameroon, this product retails for around 1,500 or 2,000 francs. It's really not much. It's nothing. If you are abroad, try to check it on eBay. I don't know how you can get it, or check your African shops. Maybe these Nigerian shops will be carrying things like this, okay? You can have it there, but it's quite affordable. Very affordable for everybody. Everybody can afford this. So if you love this, by the way, it's not what I'm using on my skin. Yes, I'm not using this on my skin. I'm using my own products on my skin. And story for another day, okay? So that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find it helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos with your friends. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Until then, ciao.